Minasan konnichiwa. Hello everyone. I'm a Japanese teacher Liu. Yeah. If you can speak Japanese, Japan becomes completely different country. Let me show you why. So today I'm gonna talking about if you can speak Japanese. Yes. Let's find out. First, when you speak Japanese, people in Japan change. Yes. For example, staff more friendly, stranger talk to you, local more become more supportive. Yes. Cause if you speak Japanese, Japanese people are very happy. Japanese people might be happy. So that means foreigners know about Japanese culture, Japanese language, Japanese society. So we're really happy that things. Yes, you are not just foreigner anymore. If you speak Japanese, you become someone who understands Japan, such as most important key. Yes. Second, you see the real Japan. Most tourists only see Tokyo, Osaka, Kyoto. Yeah. Yes. But if you speak Japanese, you can see more hidden places like Koenji, Kichijoji, Choshi, something like that. So Japan has a lot of amazing places apart from Kyoto, Osaka, Tokyo. Yes. And also, if you speak Japanese, you can more easily to enter local restaurants because some restaurants unfortunately for prohibited to enter the foreigners. But if you speak Japanese, it might be gonna change. Yes. Yeah. Let's Japanese open invisibly door. Yes, sad. You save money and time. Yes. If you speak Japanese, you don't get lost easily. Of course, because you can understand the Japanese sign and rules. So that means you can avoid mistakes. Yeah. And also you can ask direction if you get lost. So restaurants, more freedom. Yeah. And also if you are driving in Japan, you can understand what's the sign meaning. Yes. First, real relationship. Yes. With Japanese, you can make real friend. Not just hello, goodbye, thank you, friends. Yeah. You can laugh, complain, share dreams, talking about the government, society, culture things. Yeah, that means you can talk more deeply topics, right? So language create connection. Yes, that's very meaningful. Yeah, my experience when my student who is foreigner speak Japanese, they looks more confidence and more smiling more. Yeah, and also in my opinion, student personality gonna little bit change. It's more polite and also more kind. Yeah, more understandable, knowledgeable. Yes, that's all of good things, right? Conclusion: Japanese is not just words. Yeah, this key culture and people and opportunity, right? Language change mindset. Yes, of course. If you speak Japanese, Japanese people are really happy. Yes. If you want this wife, let's start Japanese from today. Yeah, one word, running one word every day is fine. You already started. Yes, right? And also, I'm offering Japanese lesson and Japanese coaching program. So, if you have interested, please check it out in my description. Yes. お願いします. Well, if you get good motivation from my video, please subscribe, good and comment. お願いします. Well, thank you for watching my video. 私の動画見てくれてありがとうございます。それでは次の動画でお会いしましょう。See you in the next video. さよなら。バイバイ。